Hello and welcome to Paul's Engage channel. It's April now, and for the last couple of weeks I've been looking at building some low relief small terraced houses, and using Scalescenes kits, which I think are absolutely excellent. And John Whiffin has done some wonderful things over the last years. And so I'm going to be building those. Here's some documented proof, etc., videos, photos of building the kits up. Not completely finished yet, but it will be over the next few weeks. I shall do a couple of small videos and show you how far I've got. As I say, it's April 9 today, and I'm just going to show you what I've got up to so far, and then obviously it will carry on. Hopefully it should only take a couple of weeks, so it'll be 2 or 3 videos as I get the items ready and get glues, because obviously at the present moment I've got to get some glues, and then obviously how to detail them and make them into what they finally finish off as. And then after that I shall do some engage videos of building small terraces or shops, etc. So I've got to go and sort out all my within all my Scalescenes kits, because I've collected them over quite a few years now, about 15 years, and yeah, I do like these kits. Right, anyway, that's all for now, and you'll see these videos over the next few weeks. Thank you for looking, subscribing, hit the bell, and leave comments if you feel you want to, but constructive comments, not naughty comments. Anyway, have a great day and see you soon. Here are some mounting boards cards that I got from a local art shop that's closing down. Friends of ours, Janice and Steve, here in Lowestoft, have shut up shop after 20 years, and it's not paying well, and I've got some of these boards from now as closing down, and yeah, so they should help make some a gauge buildings, and some the Engage buildings is quite thick. I think this is like a 2 mil, possibly 3. I haven't actually measured them all, and these are just offcuts that they didn't want anymore. And yeah, so I've got a few here, and I shall work them out. I'm getting a stock of cards, so I'm getting ready for doing some building, but I just need a few more glue sticks, and then I've got to do some printing, and we'll see how we get on. But anyway, thank you for looking. I'll carry on later. I'll show you the results as we start building these houses. And here we have the backs of the small terraced houses. Just going to do half relief on these, and these are 00 scale, obviously, not in scale. Decided to do some O scale, or 00 scale, because I'm struggling with my eyes at the moment, but I'm sure these come out well, and I've got some bits and pieces as well. And carrying on from the backs of the houses, I've got some other bits prepared. So you've got some side walls, some middle walls, inside doors, windows, etc. And these are some of the bits that have been cut out. Some of the house walls inside, and a few spares. in case I make a foo-foo. And these I've still got to do, which are floors, ceilings and walls as well, internal walls. Yeah, the printing was a bit iffy on my printer. It wasn't the Scalescenes, it's my printer decided to place LEDs. It printed some of the floors incorrectly. Just the colours, you got some bits and pieces, but they're not too bad. They can be rectified later on. Then we've got some interior doors. These are the back walls or inside walls, and then you got roof. Those are the roofs, and some window sills and doorsteps. These obviously get tiled, and I shall show them later. But we're doing okay so far, and those I think are all the bits I require. I most probably will need some others. I shall follow my instructions. It's a few years since I've built these kits, and they're really good in OO, and they come out quite sturdy and quite heavy actually. But yeah, I enjoy making these. So we're going to give these a good go. Managed to find another Pritt stick type of thing, so I can use some fascias and that. I've also got some PVA glue, and I've got Yoo-hoo glue, which is the other method I use as well. I use that to stick things together when they need a bit more strength than PVA. But yeah, we can continue. I'll say I'll put paper on and I'll stick them to card. I just got to cut these out. Maybe do them tomorrow because it's getting a bit late. And then I'll start putting it together and I'll show you as we go along.